everybody. Do you know my name? Yeah, I know that you know my name by now. What's my name? Yeah, that's right. It's Gazzi. Today we're going to do the letter N. Good job. Hey, so to make an N, we need to do the up bit first. So let's put our arm up like this and see, oh hello, we've got that up here, then it goes down here, then we go wee, N. Can you see the N? It's covering my face, but I know the N's there. Alright, so let's go. N, N, N. What begins with the letter N? I don't knows. That's right, it's a nose. Nose begins with the letter N. So if we go N, N, N. Nose. No, no, no. Nose. This is my nose. Let's go. Nose, nose. Good. You know when I'm naughty? That's another word which begins with N. Nose and naughty. So when I'm naughty, I pick my nose. I'm not really picking my nose. Look, it's this side. So let's go. N, N, N. No, no, no. Nose, nose. Pick my nose. Okay, good job. Are you gonna do it with me? Yeah. Okay, let's go. 3, 2, 1. I was doing it wrong. Okay, let's go again. 3, 2, 1. And. No, no, no. Nose, nose. Pick my nose. Yeah, awesome work, guys. So now we've done up to the letter N. That's awesome work. I love learning my ABCs with you. I'll see you next time. Bye.